Are you noticing a loss in power or maybe even a whistling noise that first developed on the passenger side in your McLaren's engine bay? Join us as we look at an extremely common issue that might be negatively affecting the performance of your vehicle and how we resolve it on Cannonball's McLaren 101. One very common issue that we see here at Cannonball all too often are clients coming to us with telltale signs that one or both of their turbo inlets have been compromised. The first thing that happens is that they hear an audible whistling sound, or worse, they notice a substantial drop in power. The silencer inside the factory unit detaches and lodges itself in the intake tract, and in extreme cases can make contact with the turbo compressor wheel. If you're experiencing either of these issues, contact Cannonball today. At Cannonball Garage, we specialize in McLaren service, so we've got you covered. Our team can upgrade your McLaren with an aftermarket set of reinforced silicone turbo inlets, getting you back to the peak performance that you expect. In fact, we recommend preemptively replacing the inlets because it's such a common problem. Don't let turbo inlet tube issues hold you back. Contact Cannonball Garage today and we'll ensure your McLaren drives like new again.